Hey guys, I just wanted to touch base with you real quick. Something came up that I thought I should make a quick video, get it out to you. I recently had a conversation with a client whose son lost his job and unfortunately, and is going to be running into a problem here pretty soon, making his house payment. And what they called me wanting to know what his options were. Haven't spoken with him yet, but he'll be calling me to talk so I can kind of talk him through it. The reason I wanted to shoot this video today is with the unemployment numbers that we're seeing starting to rise a little bit, the economy's not looking too hot. We're hoping that interest rates drop to help out, but kind of gave me a little bit of PTSD talking to these folks the other day, because back in '08 to 2011, some of you know that are getting this video, maybe I helped you with it, but I did a ton of short sales during the foreclosure crisis. At any given time, I was carrying 40 to 50 listings here in the Valley that were short sales. So I saw, I sat across the table from a lot of people that were going through some pretty tough times. And the one thing that I learned from that is, and what I saw quite a bit of, is people would literally drain their life savings, borrow money from friends, family members, or take out home equity lines of credit on their homes just to pay their bills, just to pay their mortgage. Basically, robbing Peter to pay Paul. And there was so much money just wasted doing that. So, and people just put themselves in a really bad spot. So I wanted to get this out to you today, that if you run into somebody that has hit some financial hard times and they're thinking about borrowing money or using their savings, their life savings, to try to stay afloat, have them call me first so that I can kind of give them their options. There are other options. If people have to start missing payments, you can go the short sale route. But the nice thing is, in today's world, most people have equity. So if there's any advice I can give, before someone spends everything they have just trying to make their mortgage payments, especially if there's not a short-term solution in their future, okay, have them call me first and let me talk them through it, give them some options. But whatever you do, if there's any advice you can give them, just tell them not to wipe out everything they've got, because I saw a lot of that during the last foreclosure crisis, and it wasn't pretty. I'm not saying that we're headed for a foreclosure crisis, okay? We're just not set up for that this time. People have equity in their homes. That's not the purpose of this video. The purpose is to give you something to think about if someone or if you yourself are facing some tough times right now. That's what I'm here for. Okay? Hope this helps. Sorry to have such a negative topic, but I just wanted to get it out there. Have a good one.